All right, let me take a control. Uh, Running nodes number 97, and the topic name is so called as a K-fold cross validation. What is the topic name, sir? K-fold cross validation actually, and it is 28, and this is what you need to be understand. And it's 28. This we already done. It's a new algorithm. So we done this. K-fold cross validation. Let's take this. This one is running topic, sir. Okay. Online team, uh, kindly give me couple of minutes. Couple of minutes. I'm getting call from admin. Getting call from so NIT admin. Maybe back to back. I'm getting calling. So let me have a call. Let me pick the same actual. Kindly please wait for a while. Wait for a while. Just 2 minutes actually. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for understanding. Let's keep my mobile silent. Okay, cool. Fine. What is the topic name, sir? Talk with me. K-fold cross validation. Sir, very, very important. And in almost in every real-time project, we are using this strategy. Conclusion of the story. Without this one, there is no real-time project also, I can say. The topic name is called as a K-fold cross validation. K-fold cross validation. Let me tell you a few points. Point number one. First two point, this is not an algorithm. Okay. First two point, be clear. This is not algorithm. This is not an what exactly algorithm actually. Then this is what? This is a technique. What exactly is a technique? Technique to improve model performance. To improve what exactly mean? Model performance. Model what exactly performance. Let me tell you, when I told machine learning, I told very clearly, machine learning means group of algorithms. Machine learning means group. Along with that group of algorithms, topics also we do have. This is the one of the topic actually. You should understand very clearly which is algorithm, which is not an algorithm. Linear regression algorithm, logistic regression algorithm, decision tree algorithm, random forest algorithm, k-fold cross validation, not an algorithm. No, first point, it is not an algorithm. Then what? It is a technique, or else it is a topic. For what? To improve the model performance. To improve? Then how to improve? I will tell you. How to improve? I will tell you. Are you clear? Let's move on. I will show you practically. I will show you. Okay. Please understand this. Go back to the ML steps actually. Yeah, these are all ML steps. We already know Daniel actually. These are all ML steps. Team, to splitting the data, we already know one technique. We already know one technique. The technique name is called as a train underscore. Okay, no, hold on. One more point I wanted to cover. With K letter, in ML with K letter, we have a below topics. We have what exactly mean? Below topics. Below topics actually. Below topics. What are those topics, you know, sir? The first one will be K means cluster. Yeah, K-fold cross validation. K-fold what exactly? Cross validation. This is the topic number one. Topic number two will be K means clustering. It is an algorithm. It is an algorithm actually. K means clustering is an algorithm. And the third topic is called as a K nearest neighbor. Talk with me, sir. Nearest neighbor. Nearest neighbor actually. It is again called as an algorithm. It is again called as what exactly? Algorithm. K letter. These are all, my initial is the K actually. And my pair K. But don't think like that. You know, so because of my initial, we got these are all topics actually. Don't think like that. K. K-fold cross validation. Next one will be K means clustering. Next one, K nearest neighbor. These are all topics. You have to be very clear actually. Okay, fine then. Then Daniel, let's move on actually. Point will be, I will tell you, sir, number of values. The number, either K means 5-fold, 10-fold. These are all things actually. I will tell you. I will tell you. Team, by this time, we already know a kind of some ML steps. By this time, we already know kind of some what exactly ML steps actually. Good. Splitting the data set, we already know one technique. The technique name is called as a train underscore test underscore split. This is the one of the way. This is the one of the technique actually. This is what exactly, sir? One of the technique. Sir, there is a one more technique. The technique name is called as a K-fold cross validation. What is that? K-fold cross validation. I will tell you the purpose. Make a note on this one. To split the data, it's not only train test split actually. You can go for K-fold cross validation also. You can go for K-fold cross validation also. Now it's the right time. I will explain separately. If you are using K-fold K-test, if you are using train underscore test underscore split, what happening? And if you are using this one, what happening? You should have a clear picture actually. Then you will get an idea. Okay, maybe which one is the better approach? You will get both are best only. But it would be good to verify. Second technique also it would be good to verify actually. Now let me take this one is the first. Let me take this one is the first. Team, if you are using train underscore test underscore split, there are few points we have to be understand. It is one time training only. What training, sir? Only one time training. Only one time training. One time training. Only one time training. Then we will get one score. We will get what exactly? One score. One score actually. Come on, one more time. Only one time training. Then we will get a one score. But let me tell you, if you are using k-fold cross validation, okay, this is very good, man. This is very good actually. K times training. How many times, sir? K times training. I will tell you. The second point will be we will get almost K scores actually. When I say K, think like as of now 5. K value equals to 5. Think like that actually. Even 5 times training and how many scores we are going to get, sir? 5 scores. Then we'll get a average scores. We'll get what exactly? Average score actually. Average score. I will show you practically. We'll get an idea. Sir, instead of one time training, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times trainings is really very good training actually. That many number of trainings we can do by using k-fold cross validation. By using what exactly? K-fold cross validation. I will explain. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. Make a note on this. Please understand this. What topic you need to be understand, get an idea. Then you need to be understand. Case number 1. Train test split. Go for my father example. Go for what exactly, sir? My father example. My father example. I hope you already know. What is the problem statement? Talk with me. What is the problem statement? To train his son. To recognize cat and dog. Cat and what exactly? Dog actually. Cat and dog. This one is a problem statement. I hope you know the process. Then I get a one score. I get what exactly, sir? One time score. Only one score only. And even training also, chaptara? Training one time only. Training what exactly, sir? One time only. One time only. Then let me tell you, this one is a one approach. This one is what exactly? One approach. Then my father was thinking such a innovatively. Then he is planning to applying a kind of some new technique. That technique name is called as a k-fold cross validation. What is that one, sir? K-fold cross what exactly? Validation. Okay. K-fold cross validation. What do you mean by that actually? Whenever you're talking about the k-fold cross validation, go back. Now the same story. My father, there is a problem statement actually. And here is the story. Can I ask a question here? What is the splitting ratio? 70-30. Think like you can go for 80-20 also. 75-35. 67-33. These are all valid actually. But here, let me tell you, my father is really thinking like a innovatively actually. Innovatively. What he is thinking, I have given only one time training. My son got a good score, but I wanted to give the best score. I wanted to train in a best way. Then my father applied k-fold cross validation technique. What technique? Sir, what do you mean by k-fold cross validation technique? Yeah, first of all, the data, the total images. Total how many, sir? Images. How many? 100 images actually. Now cinema started actually. My father is planning, let's divide 5 times actually. 5 into 20. Let's divide what exactly? 5 into 20. What is the 5 into 20? 100. How he started dividing, sir? Quite interesting. First one will be 1 to 20. Okay, data set number 1. 21 to 40. 20. Each fold number 1, fold number 2. 41 to, very good. The next one 61 to 80. The next one 82. Japan sir. 81 to 100. Very good actually. Like this. Sir, almost, so now my father started. First to time, training started actually. First to data set, My father have using testing purpose. What purpose? Now remaining all data set my father is using for a training purpose. Training purpose. Now here I got almost, so I got my score will be on an average I can say 17 out of 20. Out of what exactly? I'm repeating again. My father divided the data like a 1 to 20 set number 1, 21 to 40 set number 2, fold 1, fold 2, fold 3, section 1, section 2, section 3, like a 5 sections, 5 folds, 5 pots actually. Now my father is thinking first time training. During first time training, let me use 1 to 20 as a test data set. What data set? Remaining 21 to 100 training data set actually. Then it's a right time for testing. 17 I got actual. I thought over. My father told not over actual. What my father told, dear son, now second time also I will train actual. Second time also I will train. I ask a counter question, why second time training is required actually? Then my father told, dear son, do you know? Here 17 you got means here 1 to 20 you are missing 3 scenarios. You are missing. Now in a second time training, let us make it this one is training data set. Then the missed scenarios you will capture the patterns actually. Such a nice training. I feel yes did actually. Then next time what my father done, sir, he made it this one is a test. Why? Because previously already training is over, right? Now let us make it like what exactly test. Now I hope you understand the pattern. Now here again I got score will be on an average 18 out of what exactly 20. Still I am missing. Still what exactly, sir? I am missing. What I am missing actually? 2 scenarios. That is okay. Do you think training is over? Oh no. How many times done actually now? 2 times. Now third time. Third time actually. Third time. Chaptara? Train. Train. The next one. Test. The next one. Train. The next one. Train. The next one. On an average again 16. The next one. Fourth time. Train. Test. Train. On an average 19 out of 20. Fifth time. Train. Cheppani? Test. On an average 18 out of what exactly, sir? 20. Very good. You know what? These are all things is called as a score number 1. Score 1 actually. Score 1. The next one will be score 2, score 3, score 4 like that actually. Yeah, almost 5 times. Now it's the right time. Final score. Final score, how you will get, sir? How will get, score 1 plus score 2 plus score 3 plus score 4 plus score 5 divided by, how many times actually? Sir, let me tell you. Now he will get a average score actually. What score, man? Let me tell you, average score is always best score actually. Always what exactly, man? Best score. Best example. Go back to the 10th class. Before going for final exam, I have given only one time test actually. Only one exam I have attended. Don't believe one time testing. Don't believe one time training actually. That is a scenario number 1. Scenario number 2. Before attending the public exam, sir, we used to attempt unit test actually. We used to attempt quarterly. We used to attempt half yearly. We used to attend other exams also, annual exams also. Pre-final. Now these are all average score. We need to believe always what exactly? Now you talk with me. Which one is the best approach, sir? Can I say careful cross validation is what exactly? That's what you need to be understand. Now what we need to, now read the point, you will get an idea. Only one time training, Mare? Only one time training. And how many scores will get? 1 score. But this one will be how many times? Sir, K times. I mean to say 5 times. And we will get a how many scores? 5 scores. We will get what exactly? Perfect actually. I'm sure you got it. Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. One small difference you need to be understand. Imagine model is, we have given only one time training. Imagine model is giving 100% accuracy. then we may not believe. Why? Because, I have given 10th class exam. I have attended only one time exam. Kind of some test actually. My father is asking, what about your final exam? How much score you will get actually? Can I tell 100 out of 100 actually? No, no guarantee. Then when I can say more confidently, if I train, first time training, second time training, third time training, fourth time training, then model will get a complete. See, can I tell you one small thing? Because of here, model may fail. Did you remember what is the ratio here actually? The ratio will be 70-30 ratio. What is the ratio, sir? 70-30 ratio. 70 what exactly? 30 ratio. Do you know what? When I'm talking about the 70, well-known data set. But when I'm talking about the 30, unknown data set. I may miss the scenario. But when it comes to here, everything I was tested and everything I was what exactly? Trained. This is a really great type of training actually. Hope you understand. Right? Yeah. We are going to apply. Instead of increasing, think like average score is the best score actually. And model, I would like to tell one thing here. Sir, you can take up to, if you want 5 folds you can take, 10 folds you can take, 20 folds you can take, up to you actually. Decreases? Yeah, yeah, it takes care. It takes care automatically. Okay. Uh, I will tell step by step. We can walk through actually. Nageswara Sarji, sir, here 4 times training and 1 time testing means 4 times model does the fit and 1 time. Sir, you are absolutely right actually. Practically, we are doing the same. Practically, we are doing the same actually. Nice. Nageswara Sarji. Hope you understand. Yeah, yeah. Good, good, good. Let's move on. Beautiful topic actually. Beautiful topic, right? Comment. Careful cross validation takes more time. More time. Why? Because, if the training time is, best example, sir, if the training time is more period actually, expect good results. Expect good results. More time in the sense it's not an hours for our session actually. I will show you practically. Once I entered into the practical session, you will get a clarity. No, not required. Either go for train underscore test underscore split or k-fold. That's it actually. Either first approach or second approach. That's it. First approach or second approach. Now let's open the material. Theory is not at over actually. I will recap one more time. Please move on to the discussion. To solve a problem, we do have a different machine learning algorithms for the same problem. I will tell you what is the meaning of this one. I will tell you. So we need to understand clearly which model is the best to use. K-fold cross validation. Cross validation is a technique. It evaluates the model performance. It evaluates model performance actually. Model performance. I will tell you how. Ways to train the model. So far, we learn to split the data into the trained data set and what exactly, sir? Test data set, right? Once the model got trained, then we need to test the model. We need to test what exactly, sir? Model actually. No problem, sir. Siddiq Sarji, it won't problem at all actually. I will show you practically and just I'm talking theoretically as of now, but kindly please be patient. See, we can talk. Tim, think like this one is a trained data set. Data is being getting shuffled actually. By using trained data set, we are creating the model. Now the same model we are, training actually. I'm sorry. We are using the same model for testing purpose. For what purpose? Testing purpose. This is the one of the way. I hope you already know. Scenario number 1. Let me talk few scenarios. Scenario number 1. Think like my father. He bought how many images? 100 images. Think like there is a scenario. He given training with all 100 images. He given training with all what exactly? All 100 images. After training, from 100 images only, he is taking the test data set. He is taking, this is the one of this scenario. Go back to the simple linear regression. First example is same only. Did you understand? We trained with total data. 5 rows we trained actually. We didn't apply splitting. We didn't apply scenario number 1. Make a note on this one, right? Now use all data set to train and test data set actually. Think like there is a student. We are training the student actually. on an average with total 100 questions. And from 100 questions, we are taking few questions from 100 questions actually. We are taking what exactly, sir? Few questions from 100 questions. Make a note on this. The next point will be scenario number 2. Split available data set to training and testing, a kind of 70-30 ratio, man. What ratio? Talk with me. 70-30 ratio. But here is a one small point you need to be understand. That is not limitation, that is a good only. Though model trained with only 70% of the data, model didn't train with what exactly, sir? Remaining 30% of the data. There may be a chance model performance may reduce actually. Why? Because model supposed to face new data set. Model supposed to face even my father divided 70-30 ratio. 30 images he kept under pillow. I'm hurry. What is there inside of that one actually? But he didn't train. He trained with only 70 images. He trained with only. After training is done, my father is open the pillow and taking that 30 images actually without training. He started asking testing actually. Then there may be a chance I can miss actually. I can what exactly mean? Miss the scenario. Scenario number 1. Sir, make a note on this one. 70 questions you have trained and remaining 30% exactly. My father example. You know what? My father examples literally helps you a lot actually. Don't ask what is my father example. I hope you already know actually. Okay. By this time, if you're asking what is my father example, no words, sir. Matal lev. Wow. So during the testing model, with the test data set, model may fail in the few scenarios because the model need face to new scenarios actually. Now here is a careful cross validation. Cross validation is a technique. It evaluates the model performance. We used to divide 100 samples into folds. Each one contains 20 samples. Then now we can start iteration to test the model in a different ways actually. We are doing practically. Make a note on this one. Go back. First iteration. Think like, as I told you, 100 images. What my father done, first 20 images, second 20 images, third 20 images. Like this, my father have divided into 5 into each one 20, 20, 20. First 2 data set my father is using for testing purpose and remaining all he is using for training. Good. Iteration number 1. Iteration number 2, and here I will get a score number 1. Here I will get a score number 1. Move on to the next one. In a iteration number 2, use the second fold to test the model and use the remaining folds to what exactly mean? Training. I mean to say, look at my screen, this one is a testing and this one is a first time you already done actually. In a second time, first one is so called as a train data set. The next one is a test data set and next one is so called as what exactly? Training purpose. This is called as a score 2. Same thing like that. Keep on, it is going to happen actually, right? Test 1, score 1, test 2, score 2, and like this will be what exactly mean? 5 scores actually. Now, sir, always below average score. Always below average score actually. That would be really good actually. Practically, best example, you are involving in kind of some running race actually. You are involving in a running race. One time you done hurry practice. Don't expect the victory actually. Minimum first time, second time, third time, fourth time, almost 10 to 20 times practice is required. Then finally you can check average score. Finally you can check average score actually. Average score always helps you. And here also we are doing the same actually. Till now are you clear? If you are clear, we are entering into the practical example, sir. Practice actually. We are entering into the practice. Okay. Now let me explain what exactly we are doing actually. Online team, are you clear till now? I need one response. One small update actually. Tomorrow we have a session first of all as usual. But tomorrow morning 9 a.m. I'm taking one small workshop actually. That workshop name is called as AI agents. What is the topic name? But to understand AI agents, you should have an idea about some machine learning, deep learning required actually. Try to attend if it is possible. Pure Python code actually. Pure. I'm sure you will understand. No doubt in that actually. You will understand very clearly. Okay. Code you can understand, but little theory. Why? Because Though that one is a workshop, already well-known persons they will join actually, like a total Naresh it is involving. I should not talk like a basic fundamentals actually. It will be more on highly advanced discussion, right? So, but once after you done machine learning and deep learning, that record it is still available in the YouTube. You can watch actually, you can understand really very nicely. But can I tell you one small good news? Pure Python. Pure Python. Do you wanted to see the code actually? I do have a team. Maybe I have given the review for tomorrow material actually. Let us download it. Tomorrow 9 morning. Daniel, is it mandatory? Optional. Then when I can attend? After machine learning, deep learning, if you want, you can watch again actually. Yo, browser, what happened? I can share. In a Google Classroom, I can share actually. Today after 10 p.m., I do have a team. Maybe my team, they already done the review and I hope I got review comments. Yeah, this one. Prasad is one of my reviewer actually. I don't know. Gmail is taking a lot of time for loading these are all. Sir, I don't know. Maybe it's taking a lot of time. I will show you. Don't worry. I will show you the material. It's okay. It's okay. Let us move on. Daniel, maybe the now I'm going to start. It may take a minimum 2 hours, sir. 2 hours practical discussion. How long time? 2 hours practical. Maybe today we are going to do 1 hour actually, and remaining second hour we will continue in the tomorrow itself actually. Are you getting? What is this 2 hours practice? I'm going to tell you. Now, k-fold cross-validation. K-fold what exactly? Cross-validation. Cross-validation topic. On an average, 2 hours practice discussion. 2 hours actually. Let us continue. Daniel, what exactly you're doing? Go back handwritten digits. Handwritten what exactly meant? Digits actually. We are going to, I hope you already know, intentionally I am taking well-known data set so that you can feel very easy. We already know this actually. But here is the story. We are planning to apply train underscore test underscore split. Train underscore test underscore split. Not only one algorithm, we are planning to take a 3 algorithms. Okay, quite interesting. Daniel, why 3 algorithm? Imagine there is a single problem. For single problem, don't think like only one algorithm work actually. You can apply multiple algorithms also. You can apply. Now, let me tell you one small story. My father has two sons actually. First son name is called as a Prasad. Second son name is called as a Daniel actually. Nirikshan or Daniel. Sir, we have a big garden actually. In my home, we have a big garden. On an average, it take minimum 45 minutes actually for watering. What exactly mean? Watering. A specific one person is required. We have a big in my native. Now, first my father called to Daniel. What he told, dear son, keep watering actually. Keep water to the garden. To the what exactly mean? Garden actually. It's not like you can just have to go for switch. It's not like that actually. I need to watering on an average minimum 45 minutes on an average time. But I spend almost 1.5 hours actually. How long time, sir? Chapani ఎంత spend చేశాను? 1.5 hours. Up to me. I can sing a song and I can keep watering actually. Up to me. Right. Then the next day, my father told to Prasad. Next day, my father told to Prasad. And my brother almost within 45 minutes, he closed actually. Now, next time onwards, to whom my father will tell actually? That's what I spent 1.5 hours time actually. I'm sorry. Did you understand? Conclusion of the story. Same task many persons can do. But here performance matter. What matter? Same thing like that. Think like there is a one problem statement actually. What is a problem statement in handwritten digits? Sir, we are using the technique so called as a train underscore test underscore split. I am planning to use logistic regression. Okay. Logistic regression. Then I'm planning to use SVM. SVM is upcoming algorithm. Don't think too much. Just class name is a change actually. Third algorithm name is called as a random forest. What is the third one? If you want, you can apply decision tree also. First of all, are you clear about this? What I mean to say that is, we are going to solve a problem which is so called as a handwritten disease. What is the technique name? Train underscore test underscore split. How many algorithms I'm planning to apply? But can I ask a question? If you are using train underscore test underscore split, how many times training? How many scores? Yeah, you understand, I guess. Next technique, K-fold cross validation. Same, first one, Chappan sir, logistic regression. The next one will be SVC. The next one will be random forest. What is the next one, sir? Random forest actually. This is really very good, man. Daniel, here it is. One time training. Talk with me, one time training. Then one score. But here, sir, cheptara K times training. K times training actually. And next one will be K scores. Very good actually. Are you ready? Let's do actually. Quite interesting. Very, very interesting. Yeah, we are doing, sir. Yeah, we are doing. We are doing. We can apply actually. We can apply. Are you clear till now? Now let me give an ideology. What exactly we are doing? I'm planning to apply train underscore test underscore split. Now, first one, logistic regression. The second one, SVC. The third one, random forest. I'm sure you already know two algorithms. Daniel, one time score only, Daniel. Yeah, one time score only. I hope you already know. Scores. One score. Only one score. What is that score? What is that score? Then what is that score? Then where there is a big score, where is big score? Big score, that is called as a best algorithm. That is called as what exactly? Best algorithm. Am I right? Yeah, we'll do that one. First, let us apply that. You will get an idea. You will get an idea. Yeah, Daniel. So data set is loading. Maybe today, K-fold cross validation examples, I need to upload also. I need to upload that examples also. Then I need your help actually. I need your, help and get ready to understand these are all. Online team, I'm proceeding. Daniel, what you're doing actually? First technique I'm planning to apply. It's okay, sir. Valid question. And out of the topic worry. That's okay, sir. Without the knowledge of machine learning, can someone learn deep learning actually? First of all, valid question. Valid question. No worries actually. But my answer is highly impossible. What is my answer? Highly impossible. If you want, I can compare. Think like, you are learning pandas. You're learning what exactly mean? Learning pandas without Python knowledge. Without what exactly? Best comparison actually. I'm sure. Can you learn pandas without Python? Every point you have to by heart actually. Data frame is a class, data frame is a class, data frame is a class. Like that you have to by heart. But if you know Python, no by heart, you can recognize. That's the beauty actually. Siddiq Sarji, it's okay. It's okay. Valid point, but highly impossible. This one is the best comparison. Learning pandas without Python knowledge. This one is a good comparison. But if you know Python, then pandas it will be very easy. Same thing like that. If you know machine learning actually, deep learning become very easy. Trust me, you will become master actually. We have our own material. Till now, are you comfortable? Material and everything. Trust me, till to the last, you will get the same thing actually. Till to the last. Yeah. Where are we? Daniel, we are applying train underscore test underscore split. And what you are applying? First one, logistic regression. Logistic regression, right? So this is so called as a topic. Okay. I need your help, man. Can somebody help me? చెప్పండి సార్, స్టెప్ నెంబర్ 1. What is the step number 1? Any idea? We are importing the required libraries. It's not pandas actually. Now, any idea step number 2? Loading the data set. I'm sure I no need to explain these are all things. I can tell one thing, steps done. Just listen and move on. Why? Because this is not the first time, sir. We already know these are all steps actually. Yeah, good. Importing the libraries. Please, we need output actually. Ma. System is little slow. Okay. Can you help me the next step? Data? Yeah, very good. Let's do the data preparation. Ayyo. Data preparation, right? X equals to, then Y equals to. I'm pretty sure you already know what exactly I'm doing. Digits dot data. Am I right? The next one, digits dot target. Data preparation also done. Can I tell you where I done these are all steps actually? During multiple logistic regression, I done multiple logistic regression. Am I right or not, sir? Right. Multi-class classification. During that time I have done actually. Yeah. What is the next step? Any idea? Step number 4 is splitting the data set. In a step number 4, access this. Then I need your help. Yeah, very good, sir. We can modify actually. First one should be X. Second one is Y. All right. Good. When you apply this, what is the first operation? Shuffling. Cheppandi. Nice. Ayyo, we need to import, right? We got an error. What error actually? By this time, Mahasamudral datesam manam. I mean to say we crossed many oceans actually. You should not shiver, you should not scare if you are getting error actually. If you are getting error, you have to smile. Hey, name error. We know how to fix actually. That feeling is required. If you don't have that feeling, sir, you are very lack of practice actually. You are very lag in terms of practice. Error juste. When you are learning first time, when you are looking at the error, fearing actually, ayyo sir, what is this error? What is this error? What is this error? But by this time, you have to smile actually. Name error. I know how to fix actually. Then you should have that gutsman actually. You crossed many oceans. Mahasamudral, that is. Yeah. Splitting the data set. Can you tell me next step? Yeah, man, very good. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Logistic regression. Yeah, Daniel. Now, step number 5 is so called as a Daniel model training. The model creation, sorry, sir. Model equals to Chaptara logistic regression. Yeah, done. But this one is a large scale data set, right? Am I right? iterations required. I hope you already know solver equals to some supporting memory issues it may get actually. Okay. What happened? Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Random store, random set. It's okay. It's okay. Sir, what is the next step? Model training. Online team. These are all things when we covered, model training. During multi-class classification, I have covered actually. Model dot, chapter, fit method. What is that one, sir? Fit method. What I need to pass? X train I need to pass. The next one will be Y train I need to pass. Very good, man. Then prediction not required. Check the score directly. Check the score. Now here we are going to adding the score actually. We are going to adding the score. Are you ready? Yeah, all right. Check the score. Special step, Daniel, actually. What do you mean by that? Get the score. There is one question from online team. Let me look into that. What is the question? Absence of package, raise name error. But what error is thrown if someone is called so undefined method or attribute actually? Undefined name error, sir. Same name error actually. Siddiq Sarji, same name error. Okay, let me just try to pass here. Something went wrong here actually. You need to call this core method. All right. Can you help me? Model. Very good. I will tell you later. Let me give this one is a model one. Model one. Model one. I will tell you later. Why? Because we are going to work with group of models. We are going to working with group of models. Get ready. Yeah, very good. What is the score, sir? 96. Come on, you can add here actually. Daniel, first algorithm score is the 96. One time training score is 96. Now go for the next algorithm. Next algorithm name is called as a simple, just the class name change. Anyway, SVC is the upcoming topic. If you want, you can see actually SVC, support vector mission, support vector classifier. That is upcoming topic. But as of now, just class name change actually. I'm sure you understand clearly. Take this example. Let me add here actually. Let me add here. I'm pretty sure you understand I guess, right? Now I need to take this one again. I need to add here at last actually. Why? Why? Because I need to run second algorithm also. I need to run what exactly? Second algorithm also. Now I'm going to run this one. Are you clear about this? Running nodes helps you. Where are we? Sir, I will do one thing. Today I will upload demo 1 also. Demo 2, demo 3, like this SVC separate program I am planning to create. Logistic regression demo 1, SVC demo 2, random forest demo 3. It helps you, right? Let me not erase actually. Let me upload the examples also. Who can do that is the last example we are doing. I don't want to confuse everyone actually. Very good. Alright, Daniel, you can do all algorithms in one step, right? I can do. But so I'm still considering you guys are kids actually. Let's consider the same, right? Now come on. Take this one, step number 1. Control S, demo 2, 2.py. Chappan sir, what is this one? Very good, SVM. What is the step number 1 as usual? Very good, thank you, thank you. But instead of logistic regression, what is required actually? Support vector classifier. Support vector classifier, SVC. Class name actually. Step number 1 done actually. Step number 1 done. Step number 2, can you help me? Loading the data. Any changes? No, you can I take like this? Is it okay for you? No option, sir. If you say no also, let me run actually. Yeah, easy man, very easy. Go for step number 3, same step. I can copy paste. Where change you are expecting? Model creation and score also. What exactly mean? Score also. Let us run. These are all. Come here. Splitting the data set as usual. All steps are same. Very good. Very good. Next step. Now let me not copy paste. I can manually write you. Sorry, man. You will get a clarity. Model 2. Talk with me. SVC. Simple. Nothing is there. That's it. Over. Cinema over actually. It takes care memory. It takes care memory issues. If you want, you can look at my screen. SVC. Then what is the next one? Training. That's it. Beautiful actually. Right? Can I copy paste this one? Is it okay for you? I need to change one thing. What is that? Model 2. That's it. It should be model 2. Best score, sir. Now, as of now, we are doing these are all things to check the model's score actually. To check the model's score. Make a note on this. Sir, what is the next step? Talk with me. Very good. You understand. You guys understand. Take this step. In one shot, we're done. Instead of erasing the code previously, if I do like this, actually, you will get a more clarity, right? Now get ready. What is the previous algorithm score? Now, what is this algorithm score? 97. 0.1 also matter actually. Good, very good. Now go to the running nodes, and here this one I need to fill with. Can I ask a question? Sir, what technique you apply? Train underscore test underscore score. How many times training? How many scores? Be clear. Be clear actually. Once you understand all these approaches, you feel comfortable, then I will explain K-fold cross validation. Amazing topic actually. You feel really awesome. Daniel, awesome topic actually. Are you clear? Let me show you. Then copy this code. Yeah. This one is a so-called as a topic. Now I need to copy again this actually. Am I right, sir? I need to add it last actually. Very good. Now this one. What is the next one? Now example number will be previously demo 1, demo 2, the next one will be? Very good. Very good actually. Right. Demo 3. Go back here. These are all steps as usual. Demo 3, what is the algorithm, sir? Chappan, sir. Yeah, random forest. Random forest algorithm. Demo 3.py. Today I need to upload this. I will upload examples. I will upload examples. I will zip and I will upload. You can enjoy actually. Step number 1. Can you help me? Importing the libraries. But I need to change something. What is that? Instead of random score, what I need to pass actually? A random forest classifier. Talk with me. Random forest classifier. Do you think I need to run demo 1? Demo 2? Demo 3? Yeah, we are running. Loading the dataset as usual. Chapane. Data preparation as usual. I can copy in one shot also, but I'm not doing. Why? Because you can feel when I'm running, okay, step 1, step 2, step 3. That is really required, sir. In Hadavidi, if you're doing, that is not a good practice. Go for step number 4. Keep on calm. Peace of mind, execute all these steps actually. Next step, model. This I will do actually. This I will do. Model creation. చెప్పండి సార్ మోడల్ 3 ఓకే చెప్తారా random underscore random forest classifier n underscore estimators means how many trees by default now how many 40 what is the next step model training online team can I get a one response from anybody are you following or not sir anyone having any doubt till now why because you know such a great steps I covered these are all steps actually right model 3 right dot fit method and yeah good thank you for your kind responses everybody you know so even I'm hoping I know you will understand I know very clear but dual communication I'm checking actual you guys are intelligent all our online students are intelligent actual right what is the next step very good చెప్పండి సార్ model 3 now you feel comfortable you understand train test score train test how much okay you can just have to go here how much actually 96 you talk with me which one is the best model svc what technique you applied train underscore test underscore split now let us validate svc is really master or not by using k-fold cross validation by using this is if I didn't explain this example you may not understand actually see practically we done demo 1 demo 2 demo 3 now we got really nice exposure kada yamara yeah good let's move on actually now what is the best algorithm sir conclusion will be svc best algorithm is the svc now the gap is filled actually are you clear but let us validate is it really svc is the best actually let us apply k-fold cross validation why because you know many times training you have to believe always average score instead of one time score madam you have to believe always average score how will get actually by using k-fold cross validation by using k-fold cross validation can I copy the code actually sir beautiful I thought I may not enter into that k-fold cross validation today now we are entering sir now take the same format actually take the same format Daniel take the same format now beautiful sir now what is the technique then k-fold cross validation sir how many times actually k scores k times training then get ready k scores you will get how many scores when I say k it can be 5 10 up to you as of now we are planning to take 5 or 10 we will see right are you ready good sir this one almost 5 scores 1 2 3 4 5 this one also score number 1 score number 2 score number 3 score number 5 get ready చూడండి then finally you will get a average score finally you will get what exactly man average score very good Daniel this one also tell me which one is the best algorithm that's what we are doing running notes is awesome sir kada చెప్పండి sir yeah now we are applying ignore this example is not important ignore even this one is not important ignore yeah we are entering sir we are entering actually to apply train underscore test underscore split there is a function name is called as a train underscore test underscore split to apply k-fold cross validation there is a function again what is the function name cross underscore val underscore score. Last two time underscore you need to read 2 times actually. Come on, read one more time. Cross underscore val underscore score actually. Function. Functional class, sir. How can we say? Lower case, lower case. Come on. Now I need to take demo 4. I need to take demo 4. Come on, let's do that actually. Now I need to take the demo 4. Yeah, Daniel. Let us apply this topic. Now instead of this one, what I need to tell, sir, k-fold cross validation. I'm applying on logistic regression. Demo 4.py. As usual, no need to change actually. Step number 1, same, copy paste actually. But not train.test.score. Train.test.split. What is the topic name? Yeah, cross val score. Cheppandi sir. Cross val score. Yeah, very good, Daniel. Cross val score. Second step is cheppandi sir. Loading the data set. Let's load the data set. Any idea what is the example demo? Step number 3, data preparation. Now tell me, what is the step number 4? Splitting the data set. Do I need to use train underscore test underscore split? What I need to use? K-fold cross validation, right? Now hold on. One important point you need to be understand here. Step number 5, splitting the data set. Yeah, you're right, sir. Step number 4, data set using k-fold cross. Well, I will tell you. To apply k-fold cross validation, you need to call a function. Function name is called as a cross val scores. What is the function name, sir? Cross val score. Then here you will get a scores 1. First to model 1 score actually. What is the function name? Cheppandi sir. Cross val score. Sir, you know what? This function take almost parameter 1, parameter 2, parameter 3, parameter 4. 4 parameters it takes, sir. 4 parameters it takes actually. Function. First parameter it will take model actually. Second parameter it will take input. Third parameter it will take output actually. Output actual. Fourth parameter you need to confirm how many folds, how many times you need to run actually. How many times you need to run. Are you clear? Total how many parameters? 4. What is the first parameter? Model. Then before calling this function, create a model. Am I right? Why? Because function itself is taking parameter as a model. First to create a model. Yeah, come on, let's do that actually. Okay, Daniel. Step number 5, model creation. You should understand. See, step by step, I'm feeding actually. Model equals to what is the model name, sir? Logistic regression. Blah blah blah. You can come here. You can just I can copy paste this. I can take here actually. Very good, man. Very good actually. Can I tell model 1 actually? Yeah, model 1 is ready. Very good. This function takes almost 4 parameter. I need your help actually then. Chaptara sir. What is input actually? Very good. X. What is output? Y. Daniel, how many times? I'm looking for 5 times. I'm looking for what exactly? Oh, we are doing only 3 times. That's still okay. 3 times. I'm giving 3 times actually. Then my favorite syntax, sir. Yeah, keyword argument. Now model runs 3 times actually. Total data previously explained, right? Like a 5 folds actually. My father divided the data 1 to 20, 21 to 40. Like this, backend the data is divided into 3 folds actually. For every fold, the data is being getting training and data is being getting, model is being getting trained, model is being getting test actual. Now, how many scores I'm going to get? 3. Hey, Daniel, can I give 5? Sir, if you want, you can give 500 also. We are doing actually. Don't worry. Let us provide 3. Let us provide 3 actually. Important interview question. What is this? Any idea? What is this one? Very good, boss. Why we are assigning into variable? Return keyword. See, that is beautiful topic, sir. See, new function calling, assigning into variable. If you don't know Python, how you can understand? My center point will be, you know, I will always talk about the Python. Without talking about Python, I cannot close session actually. Did you notice this? Python గురించి చెప్పకుండా I never say we done today's session actually. I will talk Python important actually. Make a note on this. Daniel, yeah, very good. Sir, one more small important point. What is that important point, you know? Can you tell me, after model creation, what is the next step actually? Model training. What is the next step? One more time I'm asking. After model creation, generally we know the step name is called as a model training, but whenever you are calling cross-val score function, that function internally, why? Because it is taking the model, right? Internally, it calls the fit method automatically. Then you no need to call the fit method automatically. Are you clear about this one, sir? The moment whenever you are passing model input and output, this function triggers the fit method automatically actually. Then explicitly you no need to call. Explicitly no need to call. Then go for directly, you know, getting the scores. Getting what exactly mean? Scores actually. చెప్పండి సార్. Takes some time. అంటే if you are increasing the folds actually, it takes time to run the model. ఉంటుంది అంటే not huge difference, little you can see actually, right? Displaying the scores actually, getting the scores. What is checking the score? మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్. ఫస్ట్ ఫోల్డ్ లో టెస్టింగ్ పర్పస్, రిమైనింగ్ 2 folds ఫర్ నాలెడ్జ్ పర్పస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. Good call. It will reset actually. Reset. You got my point, right? If that is called as a with memory, without memory. Even let us take ChatGPT. Imagine yesterday you are asking, how are you? Maybe kind of some Python question. But today, if you're asking, can you continue from yesterday? ChatGPT will tell, I didn't forget. There are 2 ways. You can save the chart. That's what. Here also same. Yeah. But recently, ChatGPT got a new option. Right side bottom temporary actual. Did you notice? Up to date actual. Meer up to date lo undali. Right? Fine then. So let's move on. Sir, I need a response from you. Then Daniel, why 5 question marks actually? How many question marks we need? 3. Then I need to print. The online team, are you clear, sir? I am running. Yo, what went wrong here actually? I copied, right? I guess. Is it? Random forest I copied, I guess. Excellent. What is the first time training score? 91. Second time? Third time? Very good. You can just have to come here. Sir, I need your help. 91. 94. Next one? 91. Very good. Average score we can see later. Same process we need to apply on SVC. Next one? Then next one, the final step will be find average scores. Find what exactly? Run all models in one shot. Find average score. Then you can get which one is the best model actually. Which one is? Are you clear? Interesting, right? Yeah, let's continue. Get this step. But Daniel, let me tell you a few important points. Let me put some light actually. Whenever you are calling cross-val, if you wanted to apply k-fold cross-validation technique topic, you need to use a function. Function name is called as a cross-val score. This function takes 4 parameters. Parameter number 1, model. It takes model object actual. Parameter number 2, input. Parameter number 3, output. Parameter number 4, exactly, number of folds. This CV is a cross validation. CV means cross validation actually. Make a note on this one. Then it folds 3 times, 1, 2, 3. First to fold it use like a test data set. The next 2 for training. Next one used for testing. The next first one and third one using for training. Third one using for testing. Then first one and second one. Same story, same cinema. Same cinema actually. Beautiful, right? But let me tell you, sir, whenever you are calling this function, you no need to call explicitly fit method. You no need to call. You no need to call. Okay? Previously, one student asked a question. Are Daniel, splitting data set, where is a train and test data set actually? Did you understand? Yeah. Sir, either train underscore test underscore split or what exactly k-fold cross validation actually. Then one student asked actually, Daniel, I understand everything, but here, did you miss a train underscore test underscore split actually? Then I told you didn't understand anything actually. We should not use both, man. Either train test split or k-fold cross validation. That's it. Cinema is over actually. Cinema is over. These are all points you have to be aware. Sir, first of all, we should not use both, sir, actually. Best example, this is something like, let me tell you. From here to Amirpet, you need to travel. We have to choose only one way, but not 2 ways actually, right? Why? Because, yeah. But nice question. If you have a time, we can run SVC also. Oh, this is 3, right, sir? Chappan, sir. 3 actually. Hey, Daniel, can I give 5? Let me show you. You can give up to you. Can I give 5 actually? Come on. If you are giving 5, how many scores? 5 scores. Machine learning algorithm always like, see, sir, it is taking some time. Did you notice? It returns always array, man. It likes array actually. If you're asking, hey, machine learning algorithm, who is your best friend, means it will tell array is my best friend actually. It is giving array as a result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever you are running this one, it is taking some time. Did you notice or not, sir, actually? Yeah, I'm wondering actually. What example I need to run? ఇదేంటి 1 వస్తుంది ఏంటి అనుకున్నాను నేను. చెక్ చేయండి సార్. 92, 87, 94, 94, 89. It is not like a drastic change, like a 90, 60, 95, 35. It's not like that. In between, on average, the difference will be 5 to 7. That is okay, acceptable actually, right? Best example, sir, can I tell you? Go back to the 10th class. It's not like, always we'll get the same score actually. Score can be jumbled. Chapandi. It depends upon the data set, sir. I will tell you. What is the best ratio also I will tell you actually. Which one is the first? So from the average scores, is the worst than single attempt actually? We should think our model is the better trained with the careful cross validation. Sir, if I done this example, you will understand, sir. I understand your question, but so we cannot say, see, I will tell you one thing. Go back. Really very good question. Very good question. What about the previous conclusion? Where is the previous conclusion? Yeah. You can come here. You can come here. Talk with me. What is the best algorithm? But don't think like SV is always best actually. For the given problem statement, let me tell you, my brother is top actually to keep the water in gardening actually, not in every task. Make a note on this one. Everyone having their own skills actually. Imagine there are some algorithm, those algorithms works very well with the few domains, but some other algorithms works with some, see, random forest is the best with other domain. SVC is the best as of here actually. But we should not say random forest is the best, logistic regression is the best. No, 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 no. Wrong conclusion. Don't conclude like that actually. As per the problem statement, SVC is the best. Go for other problem. Go for IRIS. Go for, you can apply IRIS actually. The same topic you can apply IRIS. I'm sure SVC is not the best actually. You will get a different algorithm. Did you understand, sir? Maybe I can talk more later. Sir, we done today's session. I know the suspense actually, right? This I will continue tomorrow. Are you with me? Right. We done today's session. We have a, sir, every day. Oh, we have no notification. Monday, I hope I know, but we have a session, I guess. That's the Naresh Shetty actually. We don't have a notification as of now. Sir, I am having some network issue. I don't know, I'm wondering. Maybe Gmail I'm unable to log in. Anything happen with Gmail or not, I'm wondering. You are lucky. Why? Because even for previous batch, I was unable to upload the material. It is loading very pathetic. Explore new lessons and achievement teach. Not required for me now. How is practice? Do it. I mean, in your free time, you guys don't skip the practice. I request you. Like this, it is happening. Any issues with the Google Classroom? I need to talk with admin. I will talk with admin and I can upload. I know you guys are waiting for this material, but even if I have an option, I may share actually. Yeah. See, only I'm facing issue with the Google Classroom, not with other websites. Other websites I'm able to access happily. This one I'm getting very quickly. Even here also issue. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. చేస్తాను సార్. యా చెప్పండి.